Hello, good morning students. My name is Meena Rana. Today I am going to discuss exercise 5.4 from NCERT book class 12th, that is logarithmic differentiation. So let us start the sixth question. Sixth question is differentiate the following function. So let y is equal to, question is x plus 1 by x raised to power x plus x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. So this is logarithmic differentiation. Now in logarithmic differentiation we always take log, but whenever there is plus, there is addition and subtraction between two or more than functions, then never take log directly. Okay, so let us start. Y is equal to u plus v. Okay, naming as a u and v to both of the functions. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus db by dx. Let it be equation number 1. Now u is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power x plus 1 by x raised to power x, and v is equal to this term. So taking individually, now you can take log. So taking log on both sides, we get log of u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x raised to power x. Now using which property of logarithmic, that is log m raised to power n. What is the property? Log m raised to power n is equal to n log m. So apply this property here, we get x log x plus 1 by x. Now differentiate with respect to x, log u, derivative of log u, that is 1 by u du by dx is equal to, there are two functions using product rule, that is u into b. So u derivative of second function plus v derivative of u. Okay, so 1 by u du by dx, x into derivative of log. There are two functions. First function is log, second function is x plus 1 by x. So what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x, it becomes 1 upon x plus 1 by x into derivative of second function plus log of x plus 1 by x, derivative of x is 1. Now how to take log x plus 1 by x? Derivative of x is 1. dx by dx is 1. Now what is the derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x, you can write 1 by x as x raised to power minus 1. So by applying this formula, x raised to power n, it becomes n x raised to power n minus 1. So applying this formula, it becomes minus 1 x raised to power minus 1 minus 1, that becomes minus 2. You can write this as this type, minus 1 by x square. So write this term as a derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Put the value here. Now we get 1 by u du by dx is equal to x upon 1 x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square plus log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, so after solving, taking LCM, x square plus 1, x multiplied by the numerator, it becomes x square upon x square plus 1 into, by taking LCM we get x square minus 1 by x square cancelled, as it is log x plus 1 by x. Now this u multiply by that side, u x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. So put the value of u, that is x plus 1 by x raised to power x. Put the value here. Now we get answer of this derivative of du by dx. Now next is v is equal to x raised to power x plus 1 by x. Taking log on both sides, log v is equal to log of this term. So by using log m raised to power n log m, it becomes 1 plus 1 by x log of x. So again using uv formula, differentiate with respect to x, we get uv formula. First of all, log of v, that is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to u derivative of log x v plus v, that is log x derivative of u. Okay, so 1 plus 1 by x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square. So put the value here. So it becomes x plus 1 upon x square. By taking LCM, multiply by the x, it becomes this term minus log x upon x square. Now this we multiply by that side. So it becomes dv by dx is equal to b into this term. So put the value of v. Okay, so both of the term put in equation number 1. First equation, put all the values du by dx and dv by dx. So after putting, we get the answer of this question. Okay. So let us start the seventh question. Seventh question is differentiate with respect to x log x raised to power x plus x raised to power log x. So there is addition term, so taken as a u plus v. Okay, never take log directly. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x, we get individually differentiate. Let it be question number 1. Okay, so let u is equal to log x raised to power x, taken as a u. Now you can take log. So taking log on both sides, we get log u is equal to log of x raised to power x. Okay, so log u is equal to log m raised to power n, it becomes x log of log x. Okay, log m raised to power n is equal to n log m, so it becomes x log of log x. So differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by u du by dx is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Okay, so 1 by u du by dx, x into derivative of log x, that there are two functions. So first function is log of log x, so it becomes 1 by log x into derivative of second function plus log of log x. Okay, so 1 by u du by dx is equal to x upon derivative of log x is 1 by x cancel with x, it becomes 1 upon log x, and this term is as it is. So u multiply by that sides, put the value of u. Okay, now this term is as it is, that is du by dx. Now let b is equal to x raised to power log x. Taking log on both sides, log b is equal to log x raised to power log x. So using this property and log m, it becomes log x into log x. So log x multiply by log x, you can write it as a log x whole square. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, derivative of log v is 1 by v dv by dx is equal to 2 log x, derivative of log x ka square. So firstly use x raised to power n, that becomes n x raised to power n minus 1, it becomes 2 log x into derivative of second function, that is log x. So it becomes 2 log x, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So v multiply by that side. So put the value of v, or put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. So we get the answer of the 7th question. Okay, so let us start this 8th question. So 8th question is differentiate the function with respect to x sin x raised to power x plus sin inverse root of x. So let y is equal to sin x raised to power x plus sin inverse x. So taken u as the sin x raised to power x, v is equal to sin inverse x. So y is equal to u plus b. So differentiate with respect to x. So it becomes dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, let it be equation number 1. So let u is equal to sin x raised to power x. Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to x log m raised to power n. It becomes log sin x raised to power x. It becomes x log of sin x. Okay, by using the property of logarithmic. So differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by b 1 by u du by dx is equal to u derivative of v, x derivative of log of sin x, derivative of log of sin x. First function is log, second function is sin x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x, it becomes 1 by sin x into derivative of second function, plus log of sin x, derivative of x is 1. So x 1 by sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, it becomes cos upon sin plus log of sin x. So cos upon sin is cotangent x, and u multiply by that side. So put the value of u, it becomes x cotangent x plus log of sin x. Okay, now v is equal to sin inverse root of x. Okay, now for this term, never take log. Why? Because we have already the formula of sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x. We have already this formula, so you can apply this formula directly. Okay, no need to take log. So what is the derivative of sin inverse x? That is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now x replaced by root of x. So after differentiating, we get 1 by root of 1 minus root of x ka whole square. So dv by dx root of x whole square, that becomes just x. So it becomes 1 minus x, 1 upon root of 1 minus x. And now what is the second function? Second function is root of x. Root of x is the second function. Now again differentiate the second function. Okay, so it becomes dv by dx is equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus root of x square, that is the formula of sin inverse x, into derivative of root of x, that is x raised to power 1 by 2. So applying this formula, n x raised to power n minus 1, it becomes 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1. So after solving we get, you can write x raised to power minus 1 by 2 by this term, 1 by 2 root of x. So put their value, derivative of this term here. So root of x square, x cancel with root, it becomes 1 minus x. You can multiply root into root, it becomes x minus x square. So 1 by 2 root of x minus x square. Put the value in equation number 1, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the dv by dx, this is du by dx. So that is the answer of the 8th question. Thank you students. Have a nice day.